Here's a 3 cup coconuts and mango juice. Thank you. Come here. You. Thank you. And one for me. Ooh, that's cool. What a relief. Not bad. Whoa. You alright? Wow. Woo, a butterfly. I like being a butterfly. Hello. Hello there. Is everything okay, ma'am? No, it's not. Harry and Mary drink too much coconut cup of mango juice that gave them the bubble hiccups. Bubble hiccups? They turn anyone into butterflies? I guess I have them too.